Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. These lovely decorative zip pulls are really easy to use to replace your old ones. These decorative zip pulls are really fun and you can use them to just zazz up something that you've already got. Change a boring old zip pull into something fancy. First step is to use wire cutters to cut off the old zip pull. So having cut through the wire, I can just open it up and take it off. And then on your new zip pull, you'll find there's a little hinge on one side of the loop, and on the other side, you can just push it in to open it up, and then that's ready to hook through and do up again. And there I have now lovely decorative zip pull. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.